Bounty Killer, the Ground Godzilla, the 7-star general, and tell us a Bounty Killer. I couldn't understand what you were going through when Vybz Kartel disrespect you.
A few moments later.
Somebody asked me when me I go say when me see back Vybz Kartel and see them together. But these people now listen me vlog them. Sidem says she need a break from the relationship because she's depressed and she's going through a lot.
Jesus, please. It's like, no man. It's sad.
2,000 years later.
Just like when me hear the one Madsus come out, cause me draw him out now, you know. Him go comment in the comment section.
One eternity later.
Me hear Madsus pan sitting and talk and I say, bad mind Vybz Kartel. Madsus. No, I know bad mind, Alkaline, no not tear him down. And
may I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them.
One you don't know one Media Fox on the app. There's no other. You understand? You don't know what they have to talk the first type of stuff. Truth is it. Yeah man. So people, who did know? Who did ever imagine people? Say J Progress as a Gaza man. I got there. I beat Gaza so. You people? The man a beat Gaza leg. You remember when Kartel fought out with Tall Belt? A tall rope J Progress say. The man a beat Gaza left, right. Kartel. Jano brother man turn pan his own movement. Me tell you, you know, it only a matter of time, you know, people. Yeah, tell you, you know. Is it? But make J Progress talk.
people, when I look on the screen, that is Bounty Killer, the Ground Godzilla, the 7-star general. Why? Bounty Killer? I want to tell us a Bounty Killer. I couldn't understand what you were going through when Vybz Kartel disrespect you and allow some little nobody to disrespect you publicly. Bounty Killer, even I was one of them when I beat you to say your bad mind. But I couldn't understand from your side of the spectrum. I couldn't understand from your side of the spectrum. But
Yo. Yo, J Progress, brother. The man saying did a beat Bounty to bombard. Imagine if fire start blaze by him, you know. Now him understand? J Progress, it's too late, bro. I tell you, it's too late. It gone. You understand? But me go here where I say still, because right now Bounty just go on easy.
Bounty Killer. But I tell you what. Now I see where your rant was coming from. And you say it over and over. Vybz Kartel is a little snake. Ungrateful and corrupt youth. And Bounty Killer, it is clear as day. I open Mavado, see the trap where I'm walking. But Mavado is a smart youth and Mavado have the eye wide in him head back. I know him can't trust Vybz Kartel.
And you know, say, me pre it, you know, because look here. Sunfest have 2 launch. One in Florida, I think, and one in Jamaica. Like, you know, the Sunfest launch, sure. I'm over there not going none of them. You understand? When Vybz Kartel go link with Bounty, him go link with Bounty, big up Bounty rape, I show on one birthday thing. We never see Kartel and Mavado link or nothing. You understand? I don't know him must stay far from something. You understand? I don't know, because I say, yo, him there Florida, oh him not go to launch. You understand? So something right there, so. You see, because I must have seen what going on the media and it drain and every little thing. Because I remember say, you know, Kartel up on stage, I say, yo, Baba boy, don't run and ray. And you know, say, I never see Mavado sing one song at this Kartel, you know. You understand? Like his song when you sing with this him, so. Make we see what going on.
Vybz Kartel is about the money and the clout. And he will do anything to get it. So, him doing these shows with Mavado right now, I hope that Mavado have head back and inside I head them. And don't feel like I'm not fronting this. Because me I tell you no. We are going there upon social media and see all crash out again with Vybz Kartel and Mavado. Maybe not in a clash, but in a some snake move. Bounty Killer, as a father in happy earth, to see you spend so much time by your son. Do everything what you need to do to get him where he need to be. And to see when him get there, him turn around and disrespect you publicly and continuously have in cockroach them a out and a disrespect you as some little waste man. Fish, all different kind of thing how them style you up, Bounty Killer. As a general, me know that must hurt. It must hurt Bounty Killer.
Well, to be honest, you know, me never see no video still where Kartel fall out and this Bounty still, you know. You understand? Me just know to the Gaza people him run out after Bounty same take side with Massacre. You understand? But, you know, a lot of people diss up Bounty and, you know, a lot of people that expect say, yo, Kartel, Ray, this and all of them little thing there and say something about it. But I guess, I don't know. You understand? I don't know, brother. Kartel is just them type of man there. It means a brother where he always gonna play them type of sympathy role there. He might make you talk, you know. Seeing? He may just fall off, he not say nothing towards it, you know. He may just make you dead there rant and make you look like the bad person. And you see, as that shrivel down now, you see him forward out and say something like we're close. So them man, they are craft man, dog. May I tell you?
You know me keep my thing at a level. I mean, I really disrespect people to that extent there. A fish and all these kind of things. But Bounty Killer at that time, when we are black for Vybz Kartel, we are praying and say, I must bad mind. But Bounty Killer, we see it clearly. We see it clear as day now. We see where did that go on. We understand where did that come from.
But J Progress, boy, actually Gaza thing attack, you know, make you realize going on, you know. You shouldn't realize long time. Not because the Gaza attack, you know, me G. You understand? Me know, you know. But at that time you just see that go and do your thing, but it's been like that. You see me, and now I feel basically what Bounty I feel, you know. Cause all guys are for you right now.
We understand the disrespect and we understand how you feel. Because you see them snake mentality there and them corruption style there. And them little sneaky move there. And watch a Bounty Killer. Me know you see what happened there, you know. And after everything, we see Vybz Kartel still come back to your party and make big speech. But we know so you don't accept that Bounty Killer. Because you know he's a snake and he will forever be a snake. Mavado, know what you do. Because you don't want that venomous snake to bite you. Take it as me tell you. Me know Bounty Killer want you still and you know Vybz Kartel, so you know if you look out for. But Bounty Killer, the disrespect when you get over social media because of Vybz Kartel and the one with Vybz Kartel, him instigate the disrespect and sit back and watch it play out and go on like him not do nothing. You hear me I say? Kind use style and craft. But Bounty Killer is a smart man, you know this long enough. Me see it clearly and you know as well. So Vybz Kartel will never change. Vybz Kartel want all the clout and all the money. And he will diss anybody. Feet. That is how even you will make him the way him there today. In disrespect. And see him run come back there and look friend. Bounty Killer. Look what him do to him when son Popcorn. When Popcorn try to show him love. And care. If he say father cut down on the cigarette. In this him brawling on social media. And even make the little youth know say watch ya. The next man they say that me I send them way up under them mama.
And the thing is that, you know, people. And you see, some of the Gaza people, you know. You think, you people, more than I comment. When you feel like the Gaza people rate Mavada, them not rate Mavada, you know. Because I hear them talk enough time. The man them say, yo, Kartel a give him back strength, yo, Kartel a put some money in him pocket. Me say Sunfest, as Sunfest ticket them drop. Seeing? It never did go on to them, they expect it to sell out. You know, say, the man them a blame Mavado, I say a Mavado now make Sunfest ticket sell. Although, you know, a Gully and Gaza thing, you know. Me see the O2 Arena, seeing, soon sell out. Seeing? And all know me not hear man them a call Mavado. All the man them a say, Kartel sell it out. The man them not involved Mavado in nothing. The man them say a Kartel sell it out. Although, you know, a Gully and Gaza, you know. The man them say a Kartel sell it out. That's why I try to show you. You see, after that Gully and Gaza thing, boy, me I tell you, when I go hear something from the media, just look out.
Any loyalty to this, so? Vybz Kartel don't know one name loyalty. And all who say them loyal to Vybz Kartel, I fear them fearing. Believe when me tell you that.
Yo. Yo, you know, so I always say that thing, the people. Some of the people, them, some of the artists, them, is like, them fear the Gaza thing, the Gaza backlash. Them just fear it, so them have to just work with it. Enough for the artists, them. Let me tell you this. Enough of the artists them, Kartel no call them or nothing, you know. You see some of them are run down the cloud. So them try to use a Gaza name. Some of them afraid. Them afraid to say certain things. The only bravest me ever see are Alkaline. I saw the youth for out great. You understand? The only artist me see are Alkaline. See, and enough of them bow down on everything and where them career there. You see, them career no go nowhere, me G. You understand? Nowhere. So, them fi know where them want. You understand? Because some of them just lazy. Them just want to say Gaza give them the strength, but them not understand say brother, the only strength Gaza give a Kartel. You understand? Just remember that, me G. Kartel. Is it? Just remember that. So right now, more father for those know say no brother. When that time they forward, you know, I just hit that. You see me? More father a good artist. But brother, after that go and a Gaza thing, you know, bro. Ah boy, me I tell you say yo. A bag of thing I go talk. When I go see what go on, man.
TikTok. Somebody asked me when me I go say when me see back Vybz Kartel and see them together. But these people now listen me vlog them. Me vlog them. Sidem says she need a break from the relationship because she's depressed and she's going through a lot. Sidem didn't want to be in the house. It was driving her crazy. Sidem wanted to be around people who love her and support her because she's not getting that support from Vybz Kartel and that love. Vybz Kartel just have her like a little trophy. And when him ready, why don't you see Vybz Kartel a post palm video every day? That's not the levity with Vybz Kartel and Sidem. Sidem have got through it. By the way, you all know how rich people relationship go already. 3/4 of the time, when you see a rich superstar, the woman has suffer in a silence. We all know that what they portray in public is totally different from what goes on privately. Of course, me expect to see Vybz Kartel and Sidem, because Vybz Kartel go make him find a duty to come to the media to make it look like everything alright with him and Sidem.
Yes, and that me tell people say, yo, don't surprise. You see him and Sidem. That bro, that's how them man there will make a daddy attack and ray and just find something and just bam and just make everybody ray as how him stay. Me and tell you that don't surprise you see a video. Or maybe when him go all England. Or maybe before when him go UK show. Him and Sidem that you see. I just saw them man they stay MG. You understand? But everybody see where I go on. You see me? Because at the end of the day, you know, if them people are the let me tell you this. You see when woman respect woman, them now go on do certain things with a next woman man. You see the way how them girl are go on with Kartel, them no respect see them. Just pre it. Woman will respect them nah go do that. Me I tell you them nah go, them just no respect see them. Me I tell you no matter if Sile allow them, because first of all, if them have feed them man, them wouldn't want to see no other woman a dance by them man like that. You understand? So the chef or the who or the ray. You understand? Them no respect to them no really care. Because look here, if them say the man no care, them now go care. Especially when she not in the house. But look here, Miss a video man that not hide nothing. That depend on the media, everything. You understand? So some of the woman them not really respect see them. Cause this is the thing, you know. If a woman rate a woman in her have her or see her as a friend, you know. Remember me tell you that, you know. You know that go. The man say, yo, them not gonna feel comfortable, them not gonna do that something here. You see, because look at now, see them in the house. See? Me know she not gonna feel good. A bag of woman in the house, a dance with her man. You understand? Like if you're looking at the house and most of the video them, you hardly see Kartel and see them a dance. Like, you know, you see the other rest of girl them a wind up on him. You not see them a wind up on him. You understand? Woman have feelings in it, no matter what. So she see them thing and a lot of disrespect. We see when him there road, when him forward and the little thing with him eyes at and him and this up see them and say your mind back. You understand? So a lot of them things they go on. You see me? But I feel them things still, but I just one of them things there. You see me?
But I tell you guys, Sidem has been suffering in silence for a while. When you go watch Sidem TikTok video them when we show you earlier on, we understand if you don't have meds, if you can pray. Sidem was calling out for help. You hear me I say? The disrespect, the belittlement, the infidelity, everything. When Vybz Kartel threw in our face, and then when Vybz Kartel tell we and tell her, he's a superstar. That's how superstar live, and he's rich. So he thinks that he can treat a woman anyway and then go buy what? $150,000 watch as well me yeah boast and disrespect another woman if a man ever buy a $150,000 watch yet. If that's what you're going to use, Vybz Kartel, to show a woman say you love them, you're lost, brother. You're the back of class. You see man like Uno, real woman left Uno rich and lonely. Remember that. Because real woman not just did it where them can get. Real woman stay where they are wanted and where they are accepted and where they feel happy and comfortable. So no amount of money where you have Vybz Kartel now go able to keep Sidem if you not change your ways that Sidem has been begging you all along. So guys, yes we may see them, but how long we not go see Vybz Kartel and Sidem for? That should be the question. TikTok, I have always noticed about the Gaza fans them. Just like when me hear the one Madsus come out, cause me dry him out now, you know. He go comment in the comment section and never know what him do. I don't know say I one of the top blogger them comment section he go comment under. So me draw out Madsus. Me hear Madsus pan sitting and talk and I say, bad mind Vybz Kartel. Madsus, I am not a producer. Me am an engineer. Me no do music, me can't sing, me can't DJ, me can't do none of that. Madsus, Vybz Kartel not take no food off of my table. Madsus, when me hungry, me no call Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel not send me lion. Me no do live. Me no in nothing for benefit from Vybz Kartel in no way. I am a blogger.
And that's one of the thing, you know, people. Like, from Vybz Kartel released from prison, right? Everything you say, or call him name. Remember, you know, other artists name I call in a dancehall, me never hear them say, yo, a bad mind. So, now I have realized, that, oh, a Kartel are the only rich artist in a dancer. So anything you say about him, a bad mind. Nobody can say nothing, nobody can reason. Anytime you talk something against a bad mind. You that thing say, you're there around Kartel. And then you left around him. And you feel like say, yo, you just start dissing man Ray. Me no know when since. Me never see them do this with the next artist yet. Me see how much people talk down for other artists and Ray. How much artists this Alkaline, people this Alkaline. Me never hear people this Massacre, people this Idona. Me never hear them say, yo, a bad mind Alkaline. Me never, a bad mind this. But through them portray, because them see Kartel buy some things, and feel like say, oh, Kartel buy 2 Rolls Royce and house, means say, oh, him alone rich. You understand? So, oh, through other man them now show them things, like how Kartel, because him love internet and show internet everything where ma do. Oh, a bad mind. Nobody know fi talk. Nobody know fi reason and say certain things without, oh, a bad mind him. Bad mind him for what? Them think they have vanity, bro. You understand? Kartel always say, yo, him a ghetto youth. Him born poor. All of them look thing. Everybody born with empty handed come on this earth. You understand? Nobody no care about where Kartel want buy and what kind of house. Everybody a talk about the things them way him a do. I just that. Any other artist I do anything in the media, people are going to talk. So when you talk about Vybz Kartel, oh, a bad mind. So wait, if Kartel never rich, and you talk about him, you would still call that a bad mind? Eh? Me always tell people this, you know. You can have 10 house, and one alone, you can operate in. You can have 20 room, and one alone you can sleep in. You understand? If you have 50 car, one alone you can drive. You understand? So no bad mind not there. People just make them talk. Seem like any other artist you talk about in a dancehall. You understand? Because riches is life. You know how much man out there were rich and he's sick. Me so much a rich actor, rich this. Pass away and gone. Dead left everything over the years where them earn. House, car, how much everything. You understand? That don't nothing for your bad mind after, bro. If you got bad mind somebody, bad mind for them life. You understand? We don't call on nothing for nobody but life are the greatest. You understand? Life. Without life, you wouldn't dare, nobody would dare attack. You understand? Me see people call out Shaggy this Shaggy. See where they when Shaggy walk out in a with so-called blows and everything, and everybody burn him out. Me never hear nobody say you're a bad man, Shaggy. You understand? And Shaggy rich too. You understand? He may be even richer than Kartel, but he maybe not show this and that and way. You understand? I just one of them thing there. People just attack. You see it?
Me do commentary upon anybody. Artist, public figure, anybody. But guess what? I know bad man massacre will not hear him down. I know bad man bean man will not hear him down. No, I know bad man alkaline will not hear him down. I know bad man I don't will not hear him down. So is it a case where anybody who criticize Vybz Kartel and call him out, them bad mind him? What they bad mind him for? Him money? Oh, Vybz Kartel is the only person in the world that have money. Oh, Vybz Kartel money have to do with anybody when they're in the music. Who Vybz Kartel and mine? We are cut my money shot or any less money criticizing money shot. My money flowing different. Come to the front of the line. Me have a job. Me is a blogger. Me is a YouTuber. Me is a stock market trader. Me have many ways to get the money and none of them not include Vybz Kartel. So if me go bad mind, somebody go bad mind over the stock market, bad mind them in a job, bad mind one is a YouTuber, or bad mind one is a blogger. Oh, my bad mind to reach Vybz Kartel. Eh? We don't see, but yet still, we don't know bad mind, we don't know lift for Alkaline name. We don't know bad mind, we don't lift for Massacre name. The two person they want to see as threat, we don't tear them down each and every day. So what we don't expect?
At that, me I say, them talk, remember, you know, them talk about Alkaline, them talk about Bounty, them talk about everything. But I know bad mind when them talk about them artists. But when you talk about Kartel, a bad mind. Jaja.
See out here every day tear down other artists and Vybz Kartel safe. And anybody who talk against Vybz Kartel, them bad mind him success and him money. Well, we have to go keep talking. Because if every other artist is not bulletproofed from criticism in dancehall, you best believe that Vybz Kartel is nobody. Best believe that. Vybz Kartel is not above any one of them. That's what he makes you think, or the Gaza fans them want people to think. Madsus, Vybz Kartel is your God, not mine. Just remember, just a kind reminder. Vybz Kartel is your God, but not mine. Vybz Kartel is the little cockroach them God, but not mine. So, when it comes down to dancehall, nobody is above criticism and review, good or bad. So it's either you can take it or you come off of the social media, come off of the internet. Delete on the channel. Go and go tell Vybz Kartel to delete him Instagram and him TikTok and all these things then. If you can't take it.
I saw it going on, and them are the loudest on the internet, you know, people. Remember me tell you, them are the loudest. Remember when Keznam they win Grammy? Nuffy forward out a diss up youth and a diss up Grammy. Then bring down the artist. Oh, and a bad mind that him win the Grammy. But when you say something about Vybz Kartel now, oh, a bad mind, the man for your success. You never know say fire I will reach on a foot now. See there, J Progress. We usually talk about some artists and criticize them. See, you usually criticize Alkaline and criticize Massacre and criticize. You saw everything turn now. Now him a different Alkaline, him a different Massacre, him a different Bounty Killer. And look what him a do now. Him a diss on no call on no cockroach. You understand? I tell you already, you know, it's just a matter of time. You understand? It's just a matter of time. Because I love fling fire over this and when the fire reach over on a ball. You understand? Years you know been a carry down the whole like artists them and when food no time now a problem, bad mind. That's why if you just load the internet. You understand? Load the internet. You criticize every artist the most. You understand? But when you forget criticize, yo a bad mind thing, rare, every day you get up on Kartel, this and that. When every day you get up on Massacre, you get up on Alkaline, you get up on Bounty, everybody from Vybz Kartel forward out is nothing. You understand? But with there, if you see what I go on.
If you don't give it, you should be able to take it. Gaza fans them did already know so them can't manage me in the social media world. But guess what? You still take it up on your head. So, when bomb drop, you have to just run for cover. Simple as that.
Yeah man, people don't know one media fox, you know, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah man, you know, you think said that is it.